Today, we're going to learn how to crochet this cute little 5-petal flower. You can use any colors you like. Start with a magic ring and work 10 single crochet into the ring. Once you've finished, pull the tail tight and join with a slip stitch to the first single crochet. Next, we'll crochet the petals. 3 chains, then work 3 unfinished double crochet into the first stitch. In the second stitch, work 3 more unfinished double crochet. Now, you should have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops. 3 chains, then work a slip stitch into the third stitch. Repeat the same steps to make the next petal. Continue around until you've completed all 5 petals. You'll have a cute little 5-petal flower. Next, we'll crochet the flower center. Yarn over, then 3 chains. Make a popcorn stitch, 3 chains, and finish with a slip stitch into the magic ring. Cut the yarn, fasten off, and gently shape the flower center to make it nice and round. Glue the flower center to the middle of the petals and your flower is complete. What crochet tutorial would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next crochet tutorial.